What are you doing?
Butter. Butter.
You're putting butter? That's icing. Are you putting icing on a cake?
Yeah.
Who's the cake for?
For Daddy.
Why is it for Daddy? Is it his birthday?
Yes.
No, it's not his birthday. It's Happy
Father's Day.
Yay!
It's Happy Father's Day.
Right. So we're making him a cake.
Yeah.
You're doing a good job.
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Gotta be careful. Be gentle.
I got cut.
Nope, we're not gonna cut it. We gotta put icing on it first. Does that taste yummy? Do you want Mommy to help you a little bit? Don't cut it. There you go. Now you got it. Alright, say Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
2010.
2010.